सोमा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Hello everyone, this is Mahendra. In this video we are going to solve exercise 5.2 problem number 10. Look at the question. This is a given question. Yeah. Gopi sold a watch to Ibrahim at 12% gain and Ibrahim sold it to John at a loss of 5%. If John paid 1330 rupees, then find how much did Gopi sold it. So we have to find here Gopi's selling price. Okay, we have to find Gopi's SP. Okay, right? Look at carefully here. So let us write what is given here. So before going to that, consider Gopi's cost price. Here we don't have cost price of the Gopi. Okay, let us consider it is rupees X. Okay, so Gopi got 12% gain here. Okay, so Gopi sold to Ibrahim at 12% gain. Okay, how much gain? That is 12%. So look at here. Suppose if you see carefully, Gopi's SP is equals to Ibrahim CP, isn't it? Gopi's SP is equals to Ibrahim CP. Okay, and next Ibrahim sold it to John at loss of 5%. It means, yeah, Ibrahim SP is equals to John's CP. Is it clear? So Gopi's SP is equals to Ibrahim CP and Ibrahim SP is equals to John's CP. How much John paid to Ibrahim? Yeah, here given, that is 1330 rupees. So what we have to find finally? First we have to find SP of the Gopi, that is nothing but Ibrahim cost price. Okay, so then after that we have to find the Ibrahim SP, that is nothing but 1330. Then we'll get the Gopi's cost price. Then after we find the Gopi's SP. Okay, right, let us see. So I'll take here. So I'm writing here two formulas. So SP formula we have 100 plus gain percent by 100 into CP, one formula. In gain, same SP. In loss, 100 minus loss percent. Here G percent is nothing but gain percent by 100 into CP again. So note down these formulas. With the use of these two formulas, I am going to solve this problem. So remember these two statements. Okay, right. So we have considered Gopi's CP is X and he got 12% gain. So I am writing here Gopi's SP is equals to Ibrahim, shortcut I am writing Ibrahim's CP, and Ibrahim SP is equals to John CP. Okay, right. So I am going to erase. Let's see here. So we have to find the SP of the Gopi first with the use of this formula. So Gopi's SP is equals to, what is that formula? 100 plus, what is G percent given? It is 12 by 100 into CP. What is CP? That is X. Clear? Right. So 112 by 100 into X, that becomes 112x by 100. This is SP of the Gopi's SP. What is that? Selling price of Gopi's 112x by 100. Okay, remember this thing. This is nothing but Ibrahim's CP. Okay. So from question, Gopi's SP is Ibrahim's CP. Okay, now Ibrahim CP is equals to, what is that? That is 112x by 100. Is it clear? Right. Now we have to find the Ibrahim's SP. So Ibrahim's cost price is 112x by 100. He got a loss of 5%. Isn't it? Given here, Ibrahim sold it to John at a loss of 5%. So he got 5% loss. So with the use of that, we have to find the SP of the Ibrahim first. So Ibrahim SP is equals to, what is that? Formula in loss. This I am going to use here. 100 minus loss, how much? 5 by 100 into CP. Don't confuse with the formula. So loss percent I am writing here. Already given. Loss percent 5%. That is what I am not writing the percentage sign here. Okay, just writing 5. Okay. Right. So what becomes? So 100 minus, okay, CP is nothing but, what is that here? Yeah, that is this 112x by 100. Okay, that is Ibrahim's CP. So 100 minus 5, 95 by 100 into 112x by 100. Okay, is it clear? Right. So this is Ibrahim's SP. Okay. So we have already written here Ibrahim's SP is equals to John CP. So let us write here one more time. From the question, Ibrahim's SP is CP of John. Okay, right. How much did John pay to Ibrahim? That is given. John paid to Ibrahim rupees 1330 rupees. Okay, it means John CP is equals to rupees 1330, isn't it? Okay, John CP is this, but we got here Ibrahim's SP is equals to this. This is nothing but, it is also John's CP. It means both are equal. Now what we do? Yes, look at here, these two things. So here this and this both are equal. So I am writing here, that is nothing but this equals to rupees 1330. Did you got the concept? Yes, right. So now we have to simplify that. So what is that? So 95 by 100 into 112x by 100, that is equals to rupees 1330. Okay, take the terms into RHS side. So what it becomes, x remains as it is, this 2 goes to here, 1330 into 100 into 100 by 95 into 112, right? So 5 20s, 5 ones, 4 5 nines, okay, and 19 ones, 19 sevens and 0 as it is, and 2 tens, 2 5 10, what is remaining, 2 6 12. Is it clear? Next, 2 5s 10, 2 20, 2 2s are 4 and 28. So write down one more step, x is equals to 70 into 5 into 100 by 28. Okay, 7 tens, 7 fours and 2 twos, 2 fives. So what it becomes? And next, 2 ones, 2 50s. Is it clear? Right. What is the remaining? 5 into 50 by, yeah, nothing is remaining. Okay. So what is this becomes? 5 5 25, 25 5 125 and 0 as it is. Okay. So we got x is equals to, we got x is equals to rupees 1250. What is x value here? In the earlier of this problem I have written x is nothing but Gopi's cost price. Okay, so Gopi's cost price, that nothing but CP is equals to rupees 1250. What we want to find actually, Gopi sold it. It means Gopi's SP. Okay, how you find? We have formula same. Use this formula. So SP of Gopi, that is equals to 100 plus, what is the gain? How much gain? 12% gain. Already we have that. Already we can find this by using formula, or else already we have that. What is that? Gopi's SP is equals to 112x by 100. In the previous we have found that, or else you can use this formula also, 100 plus 12 by 100 into CP 1250. You can use this also, or else you can find this also. Okay, so I am writing 112 into x value, that is nothing but 1250 by 100. So 0 0 gets cancelled. 5 2s are 10, 2 5 5s, yeah, 5 2s 10, 2 1s, 2 5s 6. What is that? 56 into 25. Okay, multiply here, 56 into 25, 5 6 30, 5 5 is 25, 28, 2 6 12, 1 here, 2 5 is 10, 11, 0 10, 1 here, 4 1. That is nothing but rupees 1400 is the selling price of the Gopi, isn't it? Is it clear? Right, that is what we have to find. So if I take this, we got 1400. If you substitute the formula into the formula, again you will get the same answer. Let us try that. Shall I remove this? Yes. What we got already? 1400 SP. shall try for this. Yeah, this 112 by 100 into 1250. Okay, this is nothing but again this only. Just now we have done this here. Okay, let us try once again. 0 0 gets cancelled, 5 2s, 5 25s, 2 1s, 256. So 56 into 25, nothing but rupees 1400. Okay, what we can write finally? So Gopi's SP is equals to 1400. Okay, this is our required answer. Is it clear? Yes, I hope you understand. Right on.